what's here? It's my first DSLR. And with this first DSLR, I'm going to start my first unboxing video. So let's go. So let's unbox our Canon EOS 1500D. So I received this package from Amazon and they have done an awesome job with proper package and proper delivery even in this COVID-19 situation. So this is what I've received in my box, the camera and the camera bag. So let's open this. So now we are going to open this. So once you got the bag, we'll first review the bag and then we'll look our camera. This is the bag which I've got in the carton. Let me just open and show it to you. So this is the bag which I've got from the carton. It's the EOS camera bag, and now there's a buckle to remove the bag. It's a nice quality bag and it has quite a lot of space inside too. So now it's time to unbox our main product, the Canon EOS 1500D. So let's start the unboxing. So let's open this. So this is our final product. I'm going to show you what is there inside. We have one camera strap, one user manual. This is the user manual. We've got a 16 GB memory card, a warranty card of 1+1 2 years. And then what we have is a complimentary workshop. So now I'm going to review the camera. What we have first is the battery. With that battery, next what we have is the USB cable to charge the battery, and this is our battery charger adapter. So we have to plug the USB cable through this and charge our battery. Now what is left is our camera and our lens. So we'll review the lens first. There's a lot of safety given for the camera and the lens. So here's our lens. So this is the Canon 18 to 55mm basic kit lens. So I just keep it aside, and now I'm taking out my main camera body. So here it comes, our Canon EOS 1500D. So this is the complete set what I've got with my camera. So now I'm going to show you how to fix the lens to the camera. So to remove the camera cap, you have to push this button near the cap. Keep on pushing it and turn it in anti-clockwise. Then now we remove the cap from the lens by just a pinch, and then we turn the back cap anti-clockwise to remove. Now if you notice, there's a white square on the lens and the same white square can be seen on the camera. So we have to match these both white squares and then turn it in clockwise direction until we hear a click. So now the camera is fixed. So, as the camera is fixed, I'm going to show you the first two most beautiful snips taken by me in the Canon EOS 1500D. As you can see, the clarity of the photo is awesome. If this video was useful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.